Lady Margaret Halwara in Kupwara district. I'm here in search of my father and seek punishment for those who killed my mother. I was only 4 years old when my father was taken away by the Indian security forces on 24th of July 1986 and did not return to his place. Despite my best efforts, my family was not fine. I know Vallabhbhai is my father. This is not only the case. There are thousands of such cases in Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir, where 10,000 people have disappeared in the custody of Indian security forces. Across the region, huge number of innocent people suffer the cruelest form of torture and death in the custody, and thousands have disappeared. My father was a simple but hard-working father, farmer and very loving father. He was arrested by the Indian Army during a siege and a search operation of our village. He, along with other scores of people, taken to some unknown places. My mother and other relatives started their efforts of my father from
you can take some time. En attendant que l'obtienne les esprits, on peut faire une minute de silence sur tout ce qu'elle dit et tous les cas similaires dans le monde.
Of my father from the captivity of Indian Army. All those who were arrested were released after short interrogation and torture, but my father did not return. From some time, officers gave assurances that he will be released soon, but thereafter they denied they revealed his whereabouts. Police refused to register the FIR, but later on, due to the public pressure, FIR were lost in police station again. The police failed to investigate the disappearance of my father. My mother joined a group formed by Kashmiris called the Association of the Person of the Parents of the Disappeared Person, which is abbreviated APDP. This group is one of the largest civil society organizations formed by the parents, boys of thousands disappeared persons in the Hand Valley. My mother filed writ petition in the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, but she was pursuing it. The state authority harassed her and asked not to pursue the case, otherwise she will have to bear the consequences. And it happened on 24th of August, when the troopers of Lower Territorial Army marched into our houses and shot indiscriminately and killed my mother.
If you want to stop, you stop. If it is too hard, on va peut-être. Yeah.
After that, she's composed herself. She
Yeah.
can talk later. Don't take your time to somebody else. Would like to continue? Wait. Huh? She will wait. So give a few minutes afterwards. Please, Madam President.
Sorry. We will come back to that. On va passer à piste suivante. Quand elle se sentira prête à parler de nouveau, elle peut intervenir à tout moment. Ok. Nous passons à la Somalie. C'est Madame Joyce Jeffé qui nous a fait l'honneur de préparer, disons,